Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance NFT to Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet and tap dApps or browser to access the Web3 interface, then sign in to Binance using your wallet connection option. Grant only the minimum permissions needed to view or transfer NFTs. Verify the NFT contract address and network before interacting to avoid scams and wrong chain transfers. Open Trust Wallet, enable the dApps browser, and navigate to the Binance NFT marketplace in the wallet browser. Choose Connect Wallet, select Trust Wallet, and follow the pop-up prompts to authorize the connection securely. Refuse any requests asking for your private key or full account export. Once connected, refresh the page to see your NFT collection and pending transactions before approving transfers or listings. After connecting, view your NFTs and use cautious practices when transferring or listing items on Binance NFT from Trust Wallet. Test with a low-value token to confirm fees and chain behavior before moving valuable assets. Revoke unused approvals and check transaction details on a block explorer when in doubt. Regularly update apps and backup your wallet phrase stored securely offline to protect access and recoverability in case of device loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.